here with you, and today I'm here for an unboxing, and it's from Lifescraft. I've shared their products before, and they liked the collaboration that we did, so they asked if they could do another one. And the last time I had gotten a bunch of different Christmas things, and I really fell in love hard. They're really cool stuff, and so when they offered again, I just had to say yes. So these products they sent to me so that I could share them with you guys. They were sent free, so just so you know, the links will be down in the description box below. I've got a hair in my face. The links will be in the description box below, and as well, I don't know, wonder if it's in on my glasses. And like I said, there's a 20% discount code, so if you go and make a purchase, don't forget to use the discount code. I think you guys are going to really like what I got, because it has to do with Christmas, and I know how much you guys love Christmas. So the first thing I got were these adorable little dies, and they're in the shape of balloons, but I figured it doesn't have to be a balloon, and it could also be done like as a little tag. So let me open it up. So instead of you know, you could put a little hole here and then put the tag, and it's just or just cut this part and then make the hole there or whatever. I just thought they were really adorable little embellishments. So, or you could leave them as balloons and then make a card with a bunch of them. So that's one of the things. Then the second thing I got was this here, which I am in love with these. So these are all tags that are on craft type of paper. So you've got the Merry Christmas, you've got this one with the deer, this one with the this one with the snowflake. Just want to make sure that I've got them properly. And then you have this one with the candy cane. Okay, so there's the candy cane. That's what I thought, that there was other ones. Then there's the snowman. Then there's a little mitten. There's a little present. And then you have Santa, the little Christmas hat, a little Christmas stocking, and a little Christmas tree. And in this, I think it's those two designs. Yeah, it's the two designs, the snowflakes as well as the little reindeer. But I just thought these were adorable and could make really cute, and they come with the twine, so they could make really fun embellishments to your cards and just complete the card. And of course, you could use them as tags on your gifts if you wanted. You could just put on the back who the gift was for. I'm sure that that's what it's supposed to be for, but you know me, why use the stuff the way it's supposed to be when you could actually make cards and other things out of it. So there's that. And then they had this stencil, which I thought was adorable and would be really fun to use to make our own Christmas paper. Because basically you could stamp with whatever color, and you could do it on a white background. You could do black with stamping in white. There's all kinds of different options there, or you could just do one as an embellishment. So I really like that. And then I got this here, which I really like these frames. I like frames that are not too big especially when I use them for making cards. So this one, I love the double frame. You're supposed to break it off. I'm not going to do it right now, but you have the bigger frame, and then you have this one, which could be used for sentiment, or if you're making a really small card, that could be your image. But I really love it. And so when you're cutting, you're obviously going to cut the square piece, but then you're going to cut the shape, which you can use on top of something else. You could also just take a pencil and mark it and do it that way. So there's that. Then I got these sentiments because I always look out for new hellos, and I like these because there was a lot of different options that covered pretty much everything. So there's hello, fun together, we are always together. Then there's good day. There's a little typo here. Miss you, just because, love, best dad, love you always, and good luck. So I really like these. Yeah, they have the same little thing here. It looks like an A instead of an O. But I mean, I'm sure you would know what it is. But still, yeah, that's a little boo-boo. But I like the I got it mostly for the hello, and I like the hey what's up on a card, or the miss you was just perfect. And like the good day as well, when you want to do just a general type of card, it's a useful one to have. And then they had this set of dies, which makes a mini album. Isn't that just so adorable? So you've got the thing here that you can thread, and you can make these little folder album. So we're gonna have to do something like with that. And then I got this here, which I really like, because then I can store my stuff and not lose it, because I tend to do that. If I don't store it properly, I can never find it after. So I've got 2 of these. So these, you put your items inside, and then you can put it in one of those binders that has the two holes. So I really like that, and as you can see, you can fit all your stuff in there. And now I'm sure that I'm not going to be losing any of it. I could even put that in here. I can put all my stuff together, and this way I know that none of the little pieces get lost. So I really like these sleeves, and I just had to get a pair and see how they are, because I just think it's a very useful tool to have. So those are the items that I've got this time around. I can't wait to know what you think. Which one is your favorite product? And are you excited about doing some Christmas stuff? Maybe we can do a little Christmas album. That would be a cool thing to do. And we could even use this little thing on top here. Ideas, they keep coming. So love you guys, stay safe, and see you soon. Bye.